On the long leg, run long gathering stitches between the two notches. Pull the threads at the apex through to the wrong side. And tie them off. Pull up the threads on the wrong side till both the legs are the same length and the gathers are evenly distributed. Pin the dart, making sure to match the notches at the top and the bottom first, and I always give myself a cross pin where the apex of the dart is. Stitch exactly on the line, back stitching only at the big end of the dart. At the point, just start stitching and then go back and tie it off like you did for the gathering. Press the seam allowance flat, making sure not to use the iron in the gathers.
Press all the seam allowance to the flat side. Use just the point so you don't flatten the gathers.